In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your system resources in GIMP, a powerful open source image editor. If your GIMP software is running slow or you're just noticing some performance issues, resetting your system preferences can help return everything to its optimal state. Don't worry, it's a simple process and I'll guide you through it step by step. First, let's get started by opening GIMP. GIMP stands for GNU Image Manipulation Program, and it's pretty similar to other photo editors with a broad array of features for photo retouching, image composition, and image authoring. Make sure you are running it on your device and ready to dive into the settings. If you've got the program installed but are not quite familiar with how to navigate through it, don't worry. That's why I'm here to walk you through everything. Once GIMP has loaded, you'll want to direct your attention to the menu at the top of the interface. Look for the Edit option in this menu. This is where we find the Preferences tab, which will lead us to where we can make the necessary reset. Go ahead and give Edit a click. Now in the drop-down menu that appears, look towards the bottom for Preferences. Clicking on Preferences will open up a whole menu of options relevant to GIMP's settings and system resources. Now that you've opened the Preferences window, the next place to go is the System Resources section. It's in this section that we can make adjustments to reset the settings that may be causing performance hiccups. You may wonder what system resources entail. Well, this area essentially encompasses the settings that GIMP uses to determine how much memory and processing power it should use. This is the heart of ensuring your GIMP runs smoothly and efficiently. In the System Resources section, you'll notice a button labeled Reset. By clicking this button, you are initiating a reset of your system preferences, returning them to their default state. This action helps to clear out any custom settings that may be bogging down the program and will have things running like new again. It's as straightforward as it sounds. No need for worry, just a simple button to give your GIMP a fresh start. And with that, you are essentially done with the whole process. You'll find that by doing this, GIMP should be running more smoothly. And hopefully, any performance issues you have been experiencing will be resolved. Remember, periodically resetting these preferences can help maintain the program's performance at its best. If you ever feel the program isn't running as it should, don't hesitate to repeat this process. So there you have it, an easy-to-follow guide on resetting your system resources in GIMP. Thanks for sticking around and happy editing.